Today we're taking a closer look at the X-Force 1 7/8 by 3-inch long tube headers with high flow metallic catalytic converters for the 2018 to 2023 Mustang GTs. If you're looking to seriously boost your horsepower and torque while dialing up an aggressive exhaust note, these long tube headers are a strong option for street or track builds. These long tube headers are engineered for maximum performance gains. With their 1 7/8 inch primary tubes and their 3-inch collectors, they drastically improve exhaust flow and scavenging, helping your engine breathe easier. That means noticeable improvements in horsepower, torque, and throttle response across a wide range of RPMs. The included 3-inch high-flow metallic catalytic converters that you can see right through so you know air is passing through easily are going to further enhance performance by reducing back pressure while still offering some emissions control. You're also going to get a more aggressive, race-inspired exhaust tone that lets everybody know that your Mustang means business. These headers are compatible with both naturally aspired and forced induction setups, making them ideal for a wide range of performance goals. When it comes to the construction, X-Force uses very high-grade stainless steel throughout these headers, offering excellent resistance to corrosion and heat, perfect for daily driving or high-heat track environments. This 3-inch tubing features mandrel bends for smooth, uninterrupted airflow, and the flanges are CNC machined to ensure a secure, leak-free seal. The welds are clean and strong, ensuring long-term durability under pressure. The high-flow cats use a metallic substrate designed to withstand higher temperatures and flow more efficiently than traditional ceramic cats, which is critical when you're pushing the limits of your setup. Now when it comes to the pricing, these are coming in right around that $1,400 price range, and they're going to be sitting in that premium price bracket, which reflects the materials, the build quality, and the power gains they're going to offer. While they're more expensive than some shorty headers or some factory style options, the performance returns and sound improvement justify that investment for serious enthusiasts. The installation on this one's pretty involved, so it's getting rated a full 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you should expect to spend a full day to get this installed, pretty much based on tight clearances and the complexity of the project. Tuning is strongly recommended after the install so you can get the most out of the increased airflow and ensure drivability. Alright, that wraps up my review of the X-Force 1 7/8 inch by 3-inch long tube headers with high flow metallic catalytic converters for the 2018 to 2023 Mustang GT. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.